Have you ever wondered how some seniors manage to keep their homes spotless without spending hours scrubbing and tidying? Their spaces always feel fresh, organized, and effortlessly clean. But it's not because they're constantly deep cleaning. The secret lies in simple, consistent daily habits that keep everything in order with minimal effort. In this video, we're uncovering 7 cleaning secrets of seniors with spotless homes. Practical, time-tested routines that make cleanliness feel effortless. These aren't overwhelming chores or time-consuming tasks. Instead, they are small, smart habits that naturally prevent clutter, maintain tidiness, and create a welcoming environment every single day. Whether you're looking to simplify your cleaning routine, keep your home fresh with less effort, or just learn from the wisdom of those who have mastered home organization, these tips will help. The best part? Once you start using these simple habits, maintaining a spotless home will feel easier than ever. So if you're ready to unlock the secrets to a cleaner, more organized home without the stress, keep watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more senior wisdom, decluttering tips, and effortless home cleaning strategies. Number 1. They clean as they go. One of the biggest secrets to a spotless home isn't spending hours scrubbing, it's cleaning as you go. Seniors who maintain effortlessly clean homes don't wait until messes pile up. Instead, they tackle small tasks throughout the day, keeping their homes consistently tidy without much effort. For example, after cooking a meal, they wipe down the counters, wash the dishes, and put everything back in its place. They don't leave dirty plates in the sink overnight or let spills sit on the stove. When they finish reading a newspaper or magazine, they immediately put it away instead of leaving it on the table. If they notice dust on a surface or crumbs on the floor, they quickly wipe or sweep them up instead of waiting for a big cleaning day. These small actions, when done daily, make a huge difference in maintaining a neat and organized home. The reason this habit is so powerful is that it prevents clutter and dirt from building up. Instead of spending hours deep cleaning once a week, they dedicate just a few seconds or minutes throughout the day to keeping things in order. This approach reduces stress, saves time, and makes home maintenance feel effortless. If you want to apply this habit in your own life, try using the 1-minute rule. If a task takes less than a minute to complete, do it immediately. This small mindset shift can transform your home and keep it looking fresh and welcoming all the time. Bonus tip: keep cleaning supplies within easy reach. A microfiber cloth, disinfectant wipes, or a handheld vacuum in key areas like the kitchen and living room make quick cleanups even easier. Start today and you'll see how effortless a spotless home can be. 2. They follow a simple daily routine. Seniors with spotless homes don't leave cleaning to chance. They follow a simple, consistent daily routine that keeps their space neat with minimal effort. Instead of waiting until their home feels messy, they have set habits that keep things under control every day. For example, many seniors start their morning by making the bed, opening windows for fresh air, and doing a quick wipe down of surfaces. Throughout the day, they tackle small, manageable tasks, washing dishes immediately after eating, sweeping high-traffic areas, and putting items back where they belong. In the evening, they take a few minutes to straighten up the living room, wipe kitchen counters, and ensure everything is in order before bed. The key is consistency. They don't let chores pile up or wait for cleaning day. By spreading out small tasks throughout the day, their home stays clean without overwhelming effort. This habit also makes cleaning feel natural and automatic, rather than like a dreaded chore. Want to try this in your own home? Create a simple 10-minute morning and evening routine. For example, in the morning, make your bed, put things away, and do a quick surface wipe down. At night, straighten up, load the dishwasher, and take out the trash if needed. These small habits add up to big results over time. Keep a small checklist of daily cleaning tasks on your fridge or phone. Checking off small wins each day makes cleaning feel more rewarding and manageable. Try this routine for a week and you'll be amazed at how much cleaner your home feels. 3. They declutter regularly. Seniors with spotless homes understand a simple truth. Less clutter means less cleaning. They don't let unnecessary items pile up, making their homes feel messy and overwhelming. Instead, they regularly declutter and only keep what they truly need and use. Clutter is one of the biggest obstacles to maintaining a clean home. It collects dust, makes cleaning harder, and creates visual chaos. That's why seniors with consistently tidy homes follow the one in, one out rule. For every new item brought into the house, an old or unused item is donated, recycled, or discarded. This prevents unnecessary buildup and keeps their spaces feeling open and organized. Many seniors also do a quick declutter session every week, spending just 10-15 minutes going through drawers, countertops, or closets to remove things they no longer need. They don't wait for a big spring cleaning day. Instead, they declutter in small, manageable steps, making it easy to maintain order year-round. Want to apply this habit in your own home? Try the 5-minute declutter challenge. Pick one small area, like a junk drawer, a kitchen shelf, or your nightstand, and remove anything that's expired, broken, or no longer useful. Doing this regularly will prevent clutter from taking over your space. Bonus tip: keep a donation box in your home. Whenever you find something you no longer need, drop it in the box. Once it's full, donate it to charity. This habit makes decluttering effortless. A clutter-free home is easier to clean, more peaceful, and more enjoyable. Start small and see the difference. 4. They prioritize high-traffic areas. Seniors with spotless homes know that not every part of the house needs daily attention, but high-traffic areas require regular upkeep. Instead of exhausting themselves cleaning every room all at once, they focus on the spaces that get the most use, like the kitchen, living room, and bathroom. The kitchen, for example, is one of the busiest areas in any home. That's why seniors with consistently clean homes make it a habit to wipe down counters after each meal, sweep up crumbs, and wash dishes immediately. They don't let food spills sit or dirty dishes pile up in the sink, preventing messes from becoming bigger problems. Bathrooms are another area that need frequent attention. Instead of waiting for grime to build up, they quickly wipe sinks and faucets after use, replace used towels, and keep the toilet area fresh. These small daily actions keep the bathroom clean with minimal effort. Living rooms, where people spend a lot of time, also get daily maintenance. They fluff cushions, fold blankets, and remove clutter like magazines or cups at the end of the day. This keeps the space inviting and tidy without needing a deep clean. Want to try this in your own home? Identify the areas you use the most and commit to a simple 5 to 10 minute daily refresh. Just a quick wipe down, declutter, or sweep can make a huge difference. Bonus tip: keep cleaning supplies handy in high traffic areas. A small basket with disinfecting wipes, a microfiber cloth, and a handheld vacuum in key spots makes quick cleanups easier. When you focus on keeping high-traffic areas clean, your whole home will feel fresher and more organized. They have a place for everything. Seniors with spotless homes don't waste time searching for misplaced items or dealing with unnecessary clutter. They have a designated place for everything. This simple habit keeps their homes organized, reduces stress, and makes cleaning much easier. When every item has a home, tidying up becomes effortless. Instead of tossing keys, mail, or random objects on the nearest counter, they place them in specific designated spots. Shoes go in a shoe rack, mail is sorted into a tray, and kitchen utensils are neatly stored in drawers. This prevents clutter from accumulating in unexpected places. They also make sure to put things back immediately after use. For example, after cooking, they return spices and utensils to their rightful spots instead of leaving them on the counter. When they finish reading a book, they place it back on the shelf instead of leaving it on the couch. These small actions, done consistently, maintain order without effort. Want to apply this habit? Start by designating a home for frequently used items. Use storage bins, baskets, or labeled containers to keep things organized. Then, commit to returning items to their place right after using them. It only takes a few seconds, but prevents hours of cleaning later. Bonus tip: struggling with clutter hotspots? Create a clutter catch-all basket for each room. At the end of the day, do a quick sweep and return everything to its proper place. When everything has a place, keeping your home clean and organized becomes second nature. 6. They do a quick evening reset. Seniors with spotless homes don't wake up to a mess. They reset their homes every evening to start the next day fresh. This simple habit prevents clutter and dirt from piling up and makes mornings feel more peaceful and organized. Before going to bed, they spend just 10-15 minutes tidying up key areas, like the kitchen, living room, and bathroom. They wipe down counters, put away stray items, fluff pillows, and do a quick sweep if needed. Dishes are never left in the sink overnight, ensuring they wake up to a clean kitchen instead of a mess. They also take a moment to prepare for the next day. This might mean setting out clothes, making a to-do list, or placing important items, like keys or a purse, in their designated spots. This not only keeps their home tidy, but also reduces stress and saves time in the morning. Want to try this habit? Set a 10-minute evening reset timer before bed. Focus on small tasks like clearing countertops, folding blankets, or straightening up the entryway. A little effort at night leads to a cleaner, more peaceful home in the morning. Bonus tip: keep a laundry basket handy for quick decluttering. Just toss out-of-place items in it and put them away the next day. A clean evening leads to a fresh, stress-free start every morning. 7. They clean as they go. Seniors with spotless homes don't let messes pile up. They follow the simple habit of cleaning as they go. Instead of waiting until things get out of control, they tackle small messes immediately, making deep cleaning almost unnecessary. For example, when cooking, they wash dishes, wipe spills, and put away ingredients while the food is cooking. This prevents dirty dishes from stacking up and keeps the kitchen tidy throughout the day. When they change clothes, they put dirty laundry directly into the hamper instead of leaving clothes on chairs or the floor. This habit also applies to bathrooms. After a shower, they take a few seconds to wipe down glass doors or mirrors to prevent water spots and soap scum build-up. After brushing their teeth, they quickly rinse the sink and put toiletries back in place. These tiny habits add up, keeping the home looking fresh without extra effort. Want to implement this habit? Try the 1-minute rule. If a task takes 1 minute or less, like wiping a counter, hanging up a jacket, or putting shoes away, do it immediately. This keeps small tasks from turning into big messes. Bonus tip: keep basic cleaning supplies within easy reach, like a small handheld vacuum for quick crumbs or disinfecting wipes for counters. Having supplies nearby makes cleaning on the go effortless. When you clean as you go, maintaining a spotless home feels natural and stress-free. You enjoyed these simple yet powerful habits for maintaining a spotless home. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps us bring you more helpful tips and insights. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update, and let us know in the comments, which habit do you already follow and which one will you try next? Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.